Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At yun na nga, pinost ko kanina ni Joanne Pinote. Sabi niya si David Barbie Derek Aidan ay nasa Pulang Araw taping today sa Taal Basilica of St. Martin de Tours. And the camera was still rolling kanina daw. So ayun na nga, may maswerteng fan na nakapag-picture kay Barbie at Derek at Pulang Araw sa bayan ng Taal, Batangas taping today. So, Pulang Araw taping today, call time daw, 7 a.m. on the set, Barbie Fortesa, Alden Richards, Micoy Morales, Jackie Wu, Jay Ortega. Call time, 9 a.m. on the set is David Licauco. Ayun, sa Taal, Batangas. At next ay nilabas na nga ang cute na official poster ng That Kind of Love. Ayan na si Barbie at David. At nasa gilid nila yung word na That Kind of Love. That Kind of Love official poster film directed by Cathy O. Camarillo, starring Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco with Alton Tay, Arlene Mula, Kyla Estrada, Divine Acuña, Ivan Carpete, and Jeff Gaitan. You don't have to find love because love will always find you. The story is about two imperfect people who entangle their fate because of their search for love. The love coach extraordinaire who profiles and points out the flaws of a conceited man who deems himself as Mr. Perfect ends up in a deal to find him a match. As the big-hearted Coach Milagros, Mila Miharlika, and the dashing corporate executive Adam De Dios set their course to learn more about each other. Unknowingly, love might have already found what they are both looking for, but business is business and a deal is a deal, right? And this is showing on cinemas July 10, 2024. Ayan na nga. I so love the poster. Ang cute. At yun ang post ni David sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi, the finals may be over but the celebration never stops with Hennessy. Because without your spirit, it's only a game. Visit Hennessy PH pop-up at Ground Floor Mega Fashion Hall, SM Mega Mall until June 30 to get your hands on the new Hennessy NBA Season 4 limited bottles and exclusive merch. Ayun na nga, napaka-cute na si David Licauco. Ayan, close-up view of David at Hennessy. At yun na nga. Ayun. So, the handsome David. At naman, tweet ni Gabriel Vernesa, sabi niya, wahaha, ako lahat yan. Totally Spies live-action series in the works at Amazon. Will Ferrell will produce. At sabi ni Barbie, Mama! So, mukhang gusto nila pareho yung Totally Spies. Anyway, next ay pinost ni Isabel Bulatao kahapon. Or kagabi rather. So yung Team David, ito yung bago nag-interview do sa 24 oras. Ayan, kasama si David Milan at saka si Isabel Bulatao at si Nathan Perolino. At ito more pictures for the interview yesterday at 24 oras. And there's a video also. Let's watch this. Ayan na nga si Barbie at saka si David. Ayan na nga. So, medyo malayo yung chair. Pero pinagdikit nung mag-picture si Barbie at saka si David sa 24 oras. Ayan. GMA Integrated News. Doon sila nagpa-picture.
Ano nang ingay mo ngayon? Grabe sa parking campus.
Di ba ako sinabi grabe ng parking campus?
Sinabi mo. Hindi ba iba ng parking campus? Pero ano niya yun? Kasi gano'n lang talaga siya. Yun siya ko na sure. May gano'n ako.
Kasi feeling ko si Barbie, hindi na niya na baka busy ako, baka iniisip ko na ano ginagawa siya ng sa akin. Di ba? Kaya baka wala ka sunod mag-usap dahil na yung sleep up niya. Titinan niya eh. So,
ibig sabihin lang ka nakatingin sa lips ko.
Pag nakatingin sa lips, iba daw yung gusto. Ang pinitin ka sa lips.
Ngayon, kasi nung cartoon cafe.
Ito ba?
Okay, mas maganda ng ibig ko sa'yo ngayon.
Prama talaga. Para Barbie.
Oh, diba?
Actually, true. Mas maganda nga yung EP ni Barbie ngayon kay David. At saka in fairness, ang galing ni Barbie mag-crack ng jokes, no? I still love her.
Pero sa mall show, hindi niya maraming tao.
Siguro pag wala nakakaya siya ako gumaganda.
Gusto niya din nakikita. Pero maalaga. Kaya pag inikwento ko, walang naniniwala.
Hindi ko maaaring naiiyak siya.
Luka-luka talaga si Barang, kaya raw walang naniniwala pag sinasabi niya. Kasi hindi naman pinapakita ni David sa mga tao.
Ayun nga.
Ayun na nga, so the video was shared by Isabel Bulatao at yun na nga, kahit malayo yung bangko, kailangan talagang dumapo yung kamay ni Barbie sa legs ni David. Anyway, next naman ay post ni Isabel Bulatao, kulitan during Barda's interview for GMA Integrated News. Actually, dun yun din yung mga pictures na pinakita ko kanina pa, guys. Next, ito, Team Barda visits GMA Integrated News. Ayan na nga. So, the pretty Barbie Fortesa and the handsome David Licauco na bagay talaga sana. Kakainis. Anyway, ayan na nga. I so love it. And I so love Barbie's dress, no? Maganda yung mga ganyan yung mga suot ni Barbie. Yung mga shala ng konti. Hindi yung panene yung suot niya, no? So, yun nga. Very handsome David Licauco. Ayan, David so good looking, sabi pa ni Halio Drama. Ayan, kaway-kaway. Yun, nakita ko na sila pareho, guys. I'm so happy. At yun na nga, nagpa-picture sila sa GMA Integrated News. I so love it. Grabe. At next naman ay post ni Nathan Perolino sa kanyang Instagram stories. Ayan na nga, Barda. At naging trending pala siya ngayong gabi at around 9:33. Merong 1,231 posts ang hashtag Barda. And next is another video by David Licauco on TikTok promoting his restaurant. Let's watch this.
Hi guys! Welcome to Kuya Korea here in SM Clark. Welcome to my vlog. This is my first ever vlog, so please watch. Tara! Tara na! Ano ang pangalan niyo? Pia po. Kayo po, sir? Nice to meet you po. Ma'am, ano po order nila?
Bibimbap siya ka,
Dari ka, ano to? Narinig mo? Dari ka, thank you. Sir, kamusta po yung pagkain ng Kuya Korea?
Sarap. May grilled chicken pala kayo dito. Ay, hindi ba ito Kuya Korea? Mali? Mali.
Ano po Kuya Korea? Ano po in-order nila? Bingsu ba yan?
Bingsu.
Bingsu nga. Bingsu pala to there. Bingsu.
Sarap. Grilled bingsu.
Grilled bingsu. Tama. Uwi na lang ako.
So, ayun na nga, ang gwapong-gwapo si David Licauco. At gano'n na gano'n din yung suot niya. Nakita ko siya actually, guys. Ito na ang post ni James Licauco sa kanyang Instagram stories. Next naman ay post ni Miss Joy Marcelo. Marriott Manila pala ang GMA Gala 2024 this year. At next ay post ng Barda Official. Come join us for the block screening of That Kind of Love on July 13, Saturday at Gateway Cubao. Ticket price of 800 pesos inclusive popcorn, drinks, and giveaways. Ticket slots will be allotted through the raffle draw to ensure fairness for all who sign up. So, click the links of Facebook, guys, kung gusto nyo sumama. And lastly, this is a video that I posted on TikTok 1 year ago. Let's watch it.
This morning, David tweeted this cute picture of Barbie laughing her heart out.
Barbie then tweeted Pano ka araw ng ayos. Kung ang sinasabi ng photographer, ganda naman.
Then David tweeted Muz Maganda Pad Candid, day 20/21, of That Kind of Love the movie shoot. Today they were at Eastridge Golf Club Incorporated. The handsome David Licauco already has experience in golf since he is a rich kid. David Licauco is so perfect for the role.
Ayun na nga. Ay, may nag-tweet noon, nag-reply, nung tweet ni Nathan yung picture na yun na nasa cellphone si David. Tinatanong, bakit daw lagi nasa cellphone si David? Tapos, nag-reply si Nathan na nandun daw yung script ni David doon sa cellphone. Well, di nga. Anyway, ayan na nga. So, napakasyala nung itsura ni David tsaka ni Ivan Carpet, no? So they look so handsome together in their outfits for That Kind of Love, the movie. Ayan na nga, si Direk Catherine O. Camarillo and Yun nga palang picture kanina ni Barbie. Ayan. Parang, ewan ko kung sementeryo itong pinuntahan nila or something. Ayun na, yung picture kanina ni Barbie, yun yung nag-viral. Kasi pinicturan siya ng... Nag-viral yun kasi parang stolen shot ni David kay Barbie. And, yun. I really love it. Yung mga panahon na dilulupa ako. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!